Welcome to New York.
Yan, kailangan mo mong tawag, di ba?
What's going on, guys? It's been a long anticipated wait for many of you guys, but life happened and we're back. So in this series, what we're going to be doing is so today what I want to do is start a series. So my family's expanding. We're expecting baby number 3, and I want to get something with a third row that's comfortable for when we go on road trips, visit family, something just for us to be comfortable. I would like to see if we could flip our way into a Escalade Esv, a Denali, something with a third row, but still you're not hindering the storage space. So that's what I'm gonna see if we can do. And we're gonna start this series with under $300, and the series is gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. The name of the game is gonna be to win more than you lose. You're gonna lose, but just you gotta win more. Not everything's gonna be a grand slam, and so far the journey has been very interesting. I think a lot of you guys are gonna see that it's really about opportunity and seeing what's out there. Some of the things that I've always used is, there's Auto Tempest, which I'm gonna rephrase that. I've always used Marketplace, back in the day, Craigslist, Cars.com, more when I was looking for a vehicle, not necessarily a flip vehicle. So we're gonna try to utilize all of these opportunities, vehicles that we see. That I've run into a lot of vehicles that I just see parked or sitting in someone's driveway or things of that sort. Marketplace has been one. You just have to know what to look for, not be in a rush. The opportunity will present itself. I've been inspired by other people. There's a buddy's DIY. He does a great job of breaking down his flips. He flips full time. And then there's a used car dealer, if I'm not mistaken, out of Rhode Island, Craig's Flying Wheels. I've been following his series for years now. He did a $300 into a Ferrari, which was pretty awesome, and recently, was able to obtain that and had a lot of cool cars along the way. So maybe we'll be able to do something along those lines. So my goal is to take under $300, find a vehicle, see what it needs to, see what exactly needs to be done, and if we could rehab it and get it to a point where it's sellable, where we can sell at a profit and do it. And I'm going to show you guys how I do things, how I look for things, and what I look for these quick flips, and what I stay away from. And you'll see that some of these cars, you're able to utilize them. My youth, I probably paid more for sneakers than I am going to be for some of these cars. So keep your eyes peeled. Check us out if you enjoy the series. Make sure to follow, hit a like, help the algorithm get this to more eyes, and let's see if we're able to get there.
So what we have here right now is a 2007 Saturn. So it's very important, the year. So what you see in there is a J series, typically found in a Honda or an Acura. So yes, this American-made Saturn has a Honda Acura drivetrain. So as you can see, it's very dirty, very moldy. The vehicle sat for years. This came in as an opportunity. The lady was looking to transport it from her residence where she was moving from to another residence. So before the lady got there, I actually had to put a jump start on it and saw that the car wanted to start. Looked it over, and I offered the lady to pay for her initial tow that she was going to have the vehicle towed, and then offered her an additional $200 on top. So in total, I got this vehicle for $250. As you guys saw, the vehicle was absolutely filthy. So there's no way I was going to take the vehicle home, put it in my personal garage with all the dirt and mold and everything that was on it. So what I tried to do, or I would like to do, is hose a lot of that down, quick car wash. That way it gives me an easier platform to walk around and mess around with the vehicle once I got it home. After removing a lot of the trash and junk that was inside the vehicle, I then proceeded to vacuum everything up that I could get to with the dry vac and start prepping it for a deeper cleaning, which entailed shampooing the carpets, the rugs, all the upholstery inside the vehicle, steaming to get a lot of the dirt removed that was stuck on there for many of years, bringing back its original color, removing all stains. Something that you'll see a little later in the video, I like to use, along with my steam brush, I use a brush on a drill. That way it agitates the chemicals on top of the surface, or better yet, agitates the surface with the chemicals and makes it easier to clean up and get a lot of that grime removed. Now, moving to the front of the vehicle, you'll notice that the lenses are very dim and they look aged from the UV rays of the sun. This is very satisfying because it allows you to not only have better lighting, but it's a night and day difference of the lenses, and you'll see in the before and after. This process takes 35 to 40 minutes each headlight, but it's well worth it, and it is a big seller when someone sees the difference, or better yet, the result of your work. Somehow, some way, I lost the footage of all this work, but I did change the spark plugs. I had to replace the reservoir that you see it new because that has an internal sensor for the coolant. I also had the water pump replaced, which I out-serviced for that, and then I also did the O2 sensors on both banks for this vehicle. So as you can see, the switch for the blinkers and the headlights was completely broken off on the vehicle when we got it. So ordered it on Amazon. I think it was like $30. It's a pretty simple process, pretty self-explanatory. Just find the screws and nuts, remove them, get it on there. It's a plug and play. The switch actually is compatible, I believe, the Equinox and several other American SUVs of this year carry the same one. So it was pretty straightforward and plug and play. And once we got that all on there, everything was functioning as it should. At this stage, the vehicle is mechanically sorted. It is clean and presentable, and you'll see in the following clip, I didn't have enough time or as much time as I would have liked to get the vehicle to my liking, but you'll see we did have a twist and a surprise that came shortly thereafter me wrapping this point up, and that is the vehicle sold already. If you've made it this far and have enjoyed what you've seen, then make sure to click the notification, subscribe. We have a lot more coming. In the following episode, I will have a breakdown of how much we spent, how much we've made, and for you to learn from the mistakes that I made. Therefore, you don't have to go through the mistakes I made. But it's going to be an awesome series. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed the video thus far. And you better believe it, there's more to come.